Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your messenger without Facebook. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and on your screen you can see options where they're gonna ask you for your mobile number or email and password. Of course, you have to give your Facebook login details, but you should know this that even you have deactivated your Facebook, you can still log into your messenger. Type in your email address or the mobile number that's connected to your messenger. Then give your password. Make sure you don't make any error while typing in your email, mobile number or password. Then all you have to do is tap on login. Then you're gonna log into your messenger. You can either save the login info or not. And guys, that's it. That's how you log into your messenger without Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.